Let's use the example of soap scum and lime scale. Soap scum is soap, body oils, and minerals, and lime scale is primarily calcium carbonate. When water evaporates, it leaves mineral deposits behind on shower surfaces, giving soap scum something to stick to. Both of these compounds trend towards the alkaline side of the pH scale, so you need an acid cleaner to remove them. Bathroom cleaners are acid cleaners routinely used to remove mineral and soap scum deposits, typically found in bathrooms. Very strong acids, pH 1 to 3, are found in bathroom cleaners, so remember to use caution with these products. The bathroom cleaner on the slide in this example has a pH of 3. This bathroom cleaner will do a great job of dissolving soap scum and lime scale and is safe to use on ceramic and porcelain surfaces, fiberglass, and vinyl. Bathroom cleaners whiten grout by etching away the thin top layer of dirty grout. And you usually see citric acid or oxalic acid on these labels. We don't see phosphoric acid much anymore as it's not really good for the environment.